magpaiba-iba ng voice or kailangan na okay lang po na isa rin yung voice mo tapos ganun.
In voice acting actually, aside from changing your voice, it's acting.
Kahit mag-iba ka ng buses, pero hindi ka naman marunong umarte, eh, wala namang kwenta yun.
Pero naisip niyo minsan, I mean, may mga teacher na,
Class, listen to me. Do you understand my lesson for today?
in voice acting, actually, voice acting is applicable only for recording messages na hindi ka nakikita. It's recorded messages. But, as a speaker, I use my voice acting skills to communicate with people. And that lacks of a lot of speakers. Okay, ito ha. Share ko na secret sa inyo. Kasi pag di ko sinare ng secret ko, di nyo na ako mapapakinggan. Nonetheless, mag-workshop kayo sa akin. Kasi, bakit ba? Anong problema nyo, ha?
Kape ka ba?
Boy, pick up! Anong masasabi mo? Alam nyo, kasi ang pagiging voice talent, especially sa mga teachers, a lot of teachers don't really know how to take good care of their voice. They usually speak every day and shout. It's very hard to speak like this, especially if I don't use a mic. The secret of using a microphone is